I say it as a 5 years experienced Unreal Engine artist. This isn't worth it now. I want to answer to a very important question about Unreal Engine 5 in 2026, and it is path tracing is still worth it now? Let's see. We are in Unreal Engine 5 viewport. This is 5.8 version of it, and everything looks good here. And of course, I use Lumen now, as you can see here. But we want to test path tracing here, and I want to show you limitations and problems and so many other things in this video to prove it to you. In my opinion, path tracing is dead, and here is why. Okay, as you can see here, I have a roof. It have nanite tessellation, and nanite tessellation gives me a very good looking displacement here. As you can see, this isn't a 3D model. This is displacement, nanite displacement. And I have bad news for you. Path tracing don't support nanite. And if it don't support nanite, it can support nanite tessellation. And for this kind of models, you have, or you will have, or any other models, you need to have nanite tessellation for optimized 3D model. You can't use path tracing. If you want to use path tracing, you need to 3D model everything, or use difficult displacement methods, or use normal maps. But I think path tracing in this issue is way weaker than I think. The next part. In the past, maybe in 3, 4, 5 years back, if you switch between lit in any mood to path tracing, you you saw a very big difference in your environment. You saw very big, beautiful lights. I'm sorry what I say big. You saw very clear, very soft, and very beautiful lights and shadows compared to Lumen or any other methods you use in Unreal Engine. But now Lumen got improvement, so many improvement in the recent months, or maybe recent 2 years. And in 5.8, it's very clear. And if you switch between Lumen and path tracing, you can't see any big improvements in your scene. And in some cases, you will see your quality is go down, and Lumen is way better in the so many cases. But Lumens have its limitations. I know some about mirrors, reflections, refractions, or something like that. But at all, in overall view, Lumen now have better quality in most of the scenes and most of the uses. The next problem we have in the past and now, and it's rendering time with path tracing, guys. As you can see, this isn't very big scene, and this isn't very complicated scene here. If I switch on the path tracing with these settings here, as you can see, this isn't very hard and heavy settings here. This is really normal and preview settings for testing path tracing in the viewport. As you can see, we have denoiser here. If I uncheck denoiser, this is our results. And there is a fact about path tracing, and it is, if you want details, you need to disable denoiser. Denoiser will kill your details. And in 2026, details show differences between professional artists, expert artists, versus beginners, or I can say noobs. In such this type of projects, it doesn't matter it's architecture, non-architecture, cinematic, every projects you have, you need to disable denoiser. And if you want to disable it, you need to improve your settings. For example, you need to render with higher anti-aliasing settings to get lower noises and better details. And it takes so long, guys, so long. And this isn't worth it because we have other softwares for rendering, such as D5, Corona, V-Ray, or others, and they are way faster than Unreal Engine Path Tracing. I say it as a 5 years experienced Unreal Engine artist. And I love Unreal Engine, I work with it, I make money, but I need to be honest with you guys, this isn't worth it now. And if you need animations, high quality animations with good refractions, good reflections, mirrors, or something like that, it's better to use Vantage or other softwares, to be honest. But if you don't need refractions or some other things, I said it before, you can use Lumen. It's way faster, and you don't need so a high-end computer to run it. But for path tracing, if you want to make 5-second animation, you need your system. You will have your system on rendering for maybe a day, complete day, if you want to have crystal clear render. But in other softwares, we don't have this issue here, and they take long, the other softwares, but not as much of the path tracing in Unreal Engine in high quality. Okay, and for these simple but very important reasons, I can say to you, path tracing, if you want to learn path tracing in this time or use it in even the latest version in Unreal Engine 5, it doesn't worth it, guys. Believe me. You need to try to get improvement in your lightings and any other things in Lumen and use this. Or if you have other standards, you want to have path tracing options like clear mirror or clear refractions, I recommend to use other softwares like Vantage. They do it very well. And I can say so many other bad limits in path tracing, but I think these 3 reasons are enough. But now it's your choice to use it or don't use it. I open to hear your opinions about this issue, and if you think I was wrong, please correct me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see other tutorials or discussions about some other issues in Unreal Engine 5. See you in the next video. Bye.